Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you what you need to know about what? My lips. All the tea, anything that you need to know, tips, secrets, tips, stuff that I've done to my lips, stuff that I plan on doing to my lips. And I'm just going to be giving it to you. Just 5 go-to lip combos that you need to have. Who else would you want to watch it from other than the nude lip queen herself? I feel like I just owe y'all this video because I only have one video on like my lipstick, but that's primarily because I only use like one lip combo, well, one lip color, because I feel like they're all nude, but they're different. So now I'm gonna be giving you a couple different lip combos that you need to have from a little bit of color. Y'all know I don't stray too far out there, but I do have color. Yeah. So let's get into these lips, honey. Kissable. Alright, so let's do this. No foundation or anything. It looks so crazy. Alright, so I'm starting off with my MAC lip pencil. This one's in the shade Bespoken For. It's like a really deep wine color. And I'm going to go in and overline my lips as per usual. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 55 Driver, just in the center. And I'm going in with a little bit more liner just on the edges. Alright, on the lip line. And I'm taking this little small detailer brush to blend out the edges some more. And just for a little extra oomph to this one, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss and Madeline. I think I'm saying it right. If not, it's BLG14. And this is going right on the center where the nude is. The key to applying gloss when you are overlining your lips, you don't want to take it too far over and put it where your lip liner is. That's not your real lip. So you kind of just want to like keep it right on your natural lip, because if you put it like way out here, it's going to look crazy. Just a little overlining pro tip. And then you want to blend it out. You don't want any just hard areas or just gloss, Alright, so for my next combo, I'm going in with my Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Covet. And this is going to be like eyeliner, so I'm going to go in and line really good. My mouth getting toe up. One of my favorites, this is the Black Radiance Hollywood Hot Liquid Matte. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this about to be my go-to nude? No. This is one of my really warm ones. I don't really wear this a whole lot, but I figured I'd show you. So I'm going in with the Kkw Flammable Gloss. And watch this on top of the shower. It's just so... It's like an orange gloss, but, where can you use an orange gloss at? So when you do that underneath, it just gives you this nice, like, peachy pop. And then that is this lip. I feel like I gotta take these clamps off just so you can get the full effect if you haven't noticed. Clip them right here on my shirt. It's really cinnamony and spicy, and I really like it. Alright, and so for our next combo, we are gonna go a little bit brighter, so buckle up. Well, first I'm gonna sharpen it. This is the KKW. Y'all already know the drill about these liners. Y'all know how I feel. If you ain't got about 40 of these, you're missing out. I'm gonna sharpen mine a little bit. This is the Nude 2. I normally go on with Nude 3, but you'll see in a second why I'm doing Nude 2, because this one is it's slightly darker than my skin, versus Nude 3, which is really, really deep. So we're gonna go with Nude 2. And it looks like this. So it's a really soft liner for me. Alright, so we're going brighter. So I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This one is in the shade Romantic, number 30. And it's like a very bright pink. So this is the NARS Velvet Matte, can't read for anything, Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Dolce Vita. And I'm overlining my lips and completely filling them in with this crayon. And it has like this really pretty sheer tint, like I can still see my lips through it. But it's still pigment enough to do what you want to do. So that's good. So I'm taking my KKW Rose Gold Lip Gloss. I'm just popping this on top. And because I want a little bit of brightness in the center, I am going to take the NYX Butter Gloss, the same one from previous. And on the center of my lip only. And then this is pretty much this one. This one's really cute and soft and girly. It's like just like it reminds me of that song. Like, I got 32 flavors of this bootylicious bubble gum. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting real tired of wiping this off. Just, you know, FYI. I'm exhausted. This better go viral because I ain't able to wear lipstick for a whole day. My mouth is being abused. Alright, now for this classic, I'm going in with the Milani Covet Liquid Lip again to overline my lips. And this is really pretty by itself also. Like, I used to wear nothing but this, just like straight chocolate lip. I don't know why I stopped, because I like it. So she may make a comeback. This lip was like 20, shit, like, like 2017, Erica? This was like before the snap sensation, Erica. Alright, so we're going to take Rude Boy Red from Louise. It's a cosmetic base, but it's so bomb on the lip. And you just need a little dollop. This is what I do if I just feel like that bitch and I want a red. My best friend's like the queen of red lips. I myself do not really like a red lip on myself, but I know for this video, since I'm like giving you new lip, not nude lips, but lips that you must have in your kit, everybody needs a good red lip. So here we go. So the Milani has dried down beautifully. See that? I really like this, guys. It's just so pretty. I'm bringing this back. Okay, anyway, I just take the red and I just dab it on. And once you get your desired brightness of red, what I like to do is just go on with the red shadow. This is the Painter's Palette. I'm taking the color Leo right here. It's like just real red. And I'm just patting that on top. And this is going to give me the mattness, but still like really red. And this lip is not going to budge like ever. I probably should have did this one last because my lips are going to be extremely stained, but it's so pretty. And for the grand finale, what else could I possibly be doing other than my signature? Go to Nude. Okay, so KKW Nude 3 Lip Liner. Let me sharpen her. This is literally my favorite lip liner, like ever. My favorite lip liner of all time. Like, this is just the liner for me. It's the color, the pigment, the glide. It's so easy to blend. It's just perfect. I live. Okay, so now we're going in with our Juvias Libra lipstick. This is like has a more peachy pink nude undertone to it. So I'm going in with this all over. And they are so creamy. Alright, and now I'm just going back in with a little bit more lip liner around the edges. And then this is the look. Somebody said something. 2 up. I just turn down. Yeah. So you can leave it matte. This is my honestly, this is my go-to face, go-to lip, and I will attach this face in the description box also. Or if I post this one before the other one, then I guess this video will be linked in that description box for my next video, giving you this drugstore face. So, you know, either way, be on the lookout. I mean, if you really want to just take this sis, grab the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the color Stone. And it's just a really pretty nude gloss. Look at it. I ain't even finished. I already bombed it full. These are like the best glosses on the drugstore market. The Maybelline glosses. So cute. They're like dupes for KKW. Let me show you. No, I just had some of them. Oh. They're bigger, but the packaging is there. I think it's because I know Cody bought out Kylie, but I think they just also bought out Kim, and they own Maybelline, so like the similarity is there. Like, It's pretty much there. I have another one somewhere, but I'm not about to dig and find it. But yeah, these are really good dupes. And these plump your lips also. You can just feel it. It feels so warm and good and just good. Period, guys. And that is pretty much a wrap on the lips. I hope that these are combos that you can see yourself in every day, because they're definitely everyday combos for me. And they're really cute, really fun, really long lasting, kissable. For the most part, they're pretty affordable. I don't have like too many high-end lipsticks, and I definitely don't pull them out like that. I have like one Gucci lipstick, and that's put up because I don't mess with her too funny. Cause I don't know, I ain't got nobody in my life that's worth that right now. But you know, yeah. Let me know what you thought of these lip combos. Let me know if I should do. Let me know if I should do another video full of nothing but lip combos. You know, just so you can mix and match them in your collection, in your kit. Just lip products that I think that you should have, cause they're good or whatever. Yeah, let me know. Let me know which one was your favorite. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. What else y'all need to do? Let me know stuff down in the comments. I do this every video. You think I'd have it together by now, but I don't. Ain't shit changed, but the damn 2020 went home, put a new wig on, and we back. Because I'm back on my bullshit. Anyway, I love y'all. I will see you in my next video.